Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to another video, guys. The bull market is almost here. People are looking for ways to get as much capital as they can to go into your favorite crypto projects. Well, I think I found something for you today. This is called the Crypto Collector. It's a crypto raffle giveaway. It's over a $3,000 prize pool, so make sure that you stick around. We're going to go over the details, and if this is for you, you're going to know all the steps, so watch all the way to the end. Be with you in just a second. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, let's get right into it. This is the Crypto Collector. So I'm going to put the link at the bottom. I'll also include this in the comments and the video description. This is by the good people at the Warriors DAO. So the jackpot for this is $2,025, and there is a prize pool of $3,375. So if you want to get in on this, there's just a little bit over 10 days left, as you can see by this countdown timer up here. Now, the prize pool, the jackpot's $2,025. The prize pool is $3,375. So check this out. So up here, the jackpot, I've already told you, second prize is $405. And then you can go down here. Third prize is $337.50. Fourth is $270. Fifth place is $202.50. So on here, you can see there's already 209 tickets in. Now, here's the cool part about it. The tickets, they are $25 each. However, if you buy 5 or more tickets, you're going to get a discount. So this is what's pretty cool. So check this out. So if you come right down here and you connect your wallet, and my wallet is now connected. So all you do is all right, so one ticket's $25. Now watch this. If you go up to 4, that's $100. But watch down below. It'll tell you add one more ticket for a discount. So there you save $25. But watch this. If you want to get more, the price discounts all the way up. So say you get 10, you're going to save $50. You get 2 free tickets. And then if you go up to 15, you're going to save 75. If you go all the way up to 20, save $100. Now, when we get up to the 50% ring, what'll happen is you'll be able to also buy tickets with Book of Binance, MSS, and with XRP. So if you have any spare tokens laying around, and if you want to put them in to enter into this contest, easy pickings for you right there. So that is really and truly it. Again, there's basically 10 days left. Let's go over here and see if we can zoom in real quick. There we go. All right. And also when you come in, you'll hear this cool music. And this, if you don't know how to shut it off, go right up here in the corner. You can turn them both off. But outside of that, guys, this is a great contest. Easy way to get you some capital for the bull run coming up. Make sure you go to warriorsdao.io /crypto collector. Tickets are $25 a piece. Discounts start at 5 more tickets. Make sure you jump in, guys. This is that's a pretty juicy prize pool. But outside of that, guys, that's about it. Have a great week. I'll be on probably midweek with all the projects that I'm covering, and I'll see you in the next video.